Red Door, Yellow Door is a spooky game often seen on TikTok or played at sleepovers, also known by names like Black Door or Doors of the Mind. It involves two players, one as the subject in a trance and the other as the guide. The guide helps the subject relax while chanting Red Door, Yellow Door, any other color door, to induce a trance. As the subject visualizes a house filled with various doors, the guide asks questions to explore their experience, encouraging them to enter rooms they feel positively about while avoiding those with clocks or unsettling figures. It's essential to maintain a comfortable atmosphere, steer clear of negative entities, and prioritize light over dark colors for a more positive experience. The game can continue until both players decide to end it, especially if the subject feels trapped or encounters a man in a suit, which is considered a sign to conclude the game.